This is how to transfer USDT from Binance Exchange to MEXC Global. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to transfer any crypto from Binance Exchange to MEXC platform. I'll be using both Binance and MEXC Exchange app. This is my Binance app and this is home. For you to know the asset, you come to asset. I will move this USDT stablecoin to MEXC Exchange. So to move this USDT stablecoin, you click send. You can see select withdraw method. I'm not sending to Binance user. I'm not doing P2P trading. What I'm doing is to transfer USDT using on-chain withdraw. I will need network address to do this transfer. So I will tap this. Since this is the USDT, if it is any other crypto you are transferring to MEXC from Binance, you can search using this search option. Just tap that. Suppose I want to transfer BTC. You can use your tap BTC. You can see as long as that crypto coin is listed on Binance, it will come out here. But since I'm transferring USDT, you can see USDT is here and it's here. I'll just tap USDT. You can see send USDT. This is the address. This is where you will paste your destination. That is your USDT address on MEXC Global. This is where you paste it. You choose the network. But before you go and pick this, your address, you have to make a vital decision here. And this decision can help you save a lot of cost. That is your choice of network that you are going to use to do this transfer will determine the cost of gas fee that you are going to pay. So you click automatically match network to choose the kind of network that you will use to do this transfer. As at the time of this video, these are the listed networks that you can use to transfer USDT from Binance to MEXC Exchange. It will all depends on the amount you are sending, and the charges and the gas fee that you pay for doing this transfer will be determined by the amount of money you are transferring. For instance, this is the best option for you because you are transferring from Binance to another exchange, which is MEXC. That is using Binance Smart Chain Network BEP20. You will pay nothing. That is going to be at zero cost if you use this network option. But the amount you are sending must be 10 USDT and above. But if you are sending less than 10 USDT, you have to search for other options that you may use. So everything seems to be pegged at minimum of 10 USDT here. You can see this is Polygon network. The minimum you can send is 0.013 USDT, and you can see the amount you are going to pay is very cheap. So that's one option for you. Arbitrum, the minimum you can send is 0.12. It's also cheap. Look at the amount you are paying. This is Optimism. These are good solid network of choice that you can use if the amount you are sending is lower than 10 USDT. So you pick the amount that's suitable to you. For me, the amount I'm transferring is over 10 USDT. So this is the best option for me to use. I will pay zero fee. So I will tap BNB Smart Chain Network BEP20. For every crypto transfer you are doing from one exchange to another exchange or from one crypto wallet to another crypto wallet, you must use the same network. In this case, I have to go and pick my USDT address on MEXC Global platform, and I must go for BNB Smart Chain Network. So the address that you go and pick on MEXC Global must be the same as BNB Smart Chain Network or any choice you choose here. If you decide to pick any other one, you may lose your coin. So I'm going to MEXC Exchange now to pick this address that I'm going to paste here. In case you are new to MEXC, all you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video to sign up. You'll be able to claim $8,000 sign up bonus in deposit, and ensure you use my bonus code ask JOFA. Then you'll be able to sign up. You can see this is my MEXC Exchange app and this is the home. I currently have almost zero, and if you check my wallet, you can see my asset is MEXC native token of less than $1. So to deposit, you click deposit either from home or from your wallet option. You click deposit. By clicking deposit, you go for please select deposit method. This is what you are going for because you are transferring crypto USDT stablecoin from Binance to MEXC Exchange platform. So you tap this. What are you transferring? You can search for the kind of crypto you are transferring from Binance to MEXC here. But this is what I'm transferring, USDT. So you tap USDT. As at the time of this video, listed here are different networks currently hosted and accepted on MEXC Global, so many of them. So you have so many good options that can help you make transfer at a lower fee. But for the purpose of this video, since I've decided to choose BNB Smart Chain and it will allow me to transfer at zero cost, so I will select BNB Smart Chain because I'm moving money from Binance Exchange to MEXC. So you can see this is your MEXC USDT address. You copy it. You can see it's copied. You go back to your Binance Exchange. You can see I'm back on Binance Exchange. You tap that. This is where you paste the address. You paste the address. The address is pasted. We select BNB Smart Chain Network. Got it, network. You scroll down. This is where you are going to type the amount you are moving or transferring to MEXC exchange from Binance. You tap here. So you can see this is the total amount of USDT I currently have. If the amount you are transferring is less, you type it. But if you are moving the total amount, you just select maximum. I selected maximum, but I'll be transferring only 10 USDT. I select 10 USDT. So the address is pasted. Network of choice in this case is BNB Smart Chain. I'm transferring $10. All I need to do is to click and tap withdraw. You can see this is the amount that I'm going to receive on MEXC exchange. This is the network I'm using, BNB Smart Chain Network BEP20. This is my MEXC USDT address where USDT is going. It is important to check this to be sure that you copy the correct address to avoid transferring funds to another address. This is the amount I'm transferring and this is where I'm moving the money from. That is from my spot wallet. So if everything is okay, you just tap confirm. So you tap confirm. You can see authenticator app verification. So all you need to do next is to authenticate and approve this transfer using your authenticator, either your phone, your email, or Google Authenticator or password. You just paste your authenticator. At it is pasted. It's going. You can see withdrawal processing. Within seconds, this USDT will be moved to your MEXC Global. I'll be able to see this balance on your MEXC account. You can go back. You can see this is my Binance balance. The 10 USDT is gone. So I'll go and check it on MEXC exchange. You can see the amount is on MEXC and you can see my USDT is already reflected. So you can decide to transfer your money, invest or trade on MEXC Global exchange. You now know how to transfer and move your money from Binance to your MEXC Global account. Thank you.